If you only speak Mandarin, you might miss some crucial cultural and emotional connection with locals in Shanghai. The real soul of the city is in the dialect Shanghainese. Hi, my name is David, and welcome to the Shanghainese Lab. 上海话. Today, I'll teach you 8 important words in Shanghainese that locals actually use, and if you use those words in Shanghai, I guarantee you that locals will love you for it. Let's start with one of the most important phrases in Shanghainese, thank you. In Shanghainese, thank you is 下家弄. 下家弄. Say it with me. 下家弄. 下家 means thank and nong means you. This is a word you'll hear all the time in conversations. And next time someone helps you out, drop this phrase. Now let's learn how to say sorry in Shanghainese. In Shanghainese, sorry is 对不起. 对不起. Say it once more with me. 对不起. 对不起 literally means not able to face or unable to confront, which is a humble local way of apologizing. So let's say you accidentally bump into someone on the train, you say 对不起. Very useful word to keep in your back pocket. Now if someone apologizes to you, what do you say in return? Well, usually we would say in English, no problem. And in Shanghainese, the equivalent word is 不要紧. Say it with me. 不要紧. One more time. 不要紧. What 不要紧 literally means is not important, which means that whatever you're apologizing is not an important thing. Now let's put all of this into a dialogue. If you remember from the previous lesson, we learned the words 侬叫啥名字, which means what's your name, and 我叫, which is I'm called or my name is. So let's use that. 对不起，侬叫啥名字？我叫 David. 下家弄，不要紧. Great. Now we've had a full dialogue in Shanghainese. Another useful phrase you want to know in Shanghainese is how to say I don't understand. And how to say I don't understand in Shanghainese is 我不懂. 我不懂. I'll say it again slower. 我不懂. In this sentence, 我 is me, 不 is do not, and 懂 means understand. So if someone says to you something really fast in Shanghainese, like, oh, 侬叫啥名字啊? And you didn't understand that, you can say 我不懂, or you could say 对不起,我不懂. Sorry, I don't understand. You might be wondering by now, how do I say Shanghai in Shanghainese? After all, this is the language of Shanghai, is it not? Well, I'm going to tell you. In Mandarin, it's Shanghai, but in Shanghainese, it's Shanghai. Say it with me. Shanghai. Say it with me one more time. Shanghai. This is how locals have been pronouncing the word Shanghai for generations. And what's the word for the Shanghai language itself? So Shanghainese is called Shanghai. Shanghai. You can repeat after me. Shanghai. Shanghai is Shanghai, and Heiwu means language. So Shanghai means the Shanghai language, Shanghainese. And the language that I'm using now is English. And to say that in Shanghainese is 英文. 英文. Say it with me. 英文. So how do you tell someone if you can speak English or if you can speak Shanghainese? You say the words 我得讲, 我得讲. Say it with me. 我得讲. 我得 means can and gang means speak. So it means I can speak a certain language. So let's put all this into a sentence. 我會得講上海話，侬會得講英文。What I just said was, I can speak Shanghainese and you can speak English. Great! Now you've learned how to say 8 different words in Shanghainese. Number 1, 謝謝侬. Number 2, 對不起. Number 3, 不要緊. Number 4, 我不懂. Number 5, 上海. Number 6, 上海閒話. Number 7, 英文. And number 8, 會得講. I hope today's lesson has been very helpful and that you've picked up some very useful words that you can use when communicating with anyone in Shanghai. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting Shanghainese content and words that locals will actually use in Shanghai. Please drop a comment below on which topics you would like me to cover next in this channel. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.